Matt. So
Hey.
I'm fairly new here. I work for a business broker. I just have a question.
Yeah.
We get our leads from a lot of different generators, and they come through for me to call or email.
Yep.
How do you combat the ones that come through and they're businesses looking to sell? They'll send me an email and say, "I'm not looking to sell. Send me an offer, but I'll consider an offer," or something like that. How do you get past that with them?
Have you verbally, they're telling you, you call them and they're verbally telling you this?
Okay, so no, when it comes through from the lead generators, it comes through to me, and it'll show a message of the conversation that they had with them. And
Yep.
some of them will come through and they'll say, "I'm not looking to sell, but I'll entertain an offer." Or
Okay.
it'll come through and say, "I wasn't looking to sell, but send me an offer and I'll look it over." Well, obviously I can't send them an offer.
Yeah, so you have their phone number, yes?
Yeah.
I would call them immediately, right? And when they answer, say, "Hey, I wanted to reach out to you personally. Make sure that my people got you all the information you needed on that offer you were hoping to get," right? Because we're going to stay in the subject that they wanted. They're like, "Send me an offer." You're like, "Matt, I can't give them an offer." I realize that. You're going to call them and you're going to call them almost from a high level, right? "Hey, I wanted to reach out to you personally. I was going through the notes. I looked at the notes from my team. I wanted to reach out to you personally and make sure that my people got you all the information you needed in terms of that offer you wanted." They're going to be like, "Great." And you're going to say, "My pleasure. What can I get you information on?" And they're going to say, "Well, send me an offer." When you say send me an offer, walk me through, bring me up to speed on what's going on with your business. Now you can pivot right into all those questions that you wanted to ask in the first place. The problem is if you don't this is requiring you to quote unquote step in. Because if you're not stepping in, he's just going to expect you to be part of the robot conveyor belt that's like, "Give me this, give me this." Now when you step in, "Hey, I wanted to step in. I wanted to reach out to you personally. Make sure that my people, make sure that my team got you all the information you needed." You're basically stepping in as like almost the manager, being like, "Hey, you know, I'm here." And then he's going to say, "Great, I need that. Perfect." When you say offer, walk me through, bring me back up to speed. Walk me through, where's the business at right now? Just out of curiosity, what are you guys doing in terms of top line revenue, in terms of sales right now? All those questions that you need to ask. And if he says, "I don't want to answer those questions," right? You, as a business broker, you might know a range of what they're worth. Let's say it's a dry cleaning company, right? Dry cleaning companies can be worth anything from, you know, let's just call it $30,000 all the way up to $3 million. Now, if I could ask you a few questions, and you know those questions that you need to ask, your location, how long you've been in business, your reoccurring business, I'll be able to give you an exact kind of ballpark and where we would potentially price this for an offer. Make sense? And they're going to go, "Okay, yeah," right? And then and again, it's just picking it up to more constructive. Now, is this a panacea? Is this a silver bullet for every werewolf out there? Absolutely not. There's still going to be a few of these jerks that just typed that into a chat or however they just sent me the offer that aren't going to engage with you. Well, the good news is when you step in this way, you'll be able to at least filter those out. I want to filter out the people with one foot maybe thinking about it, one foot maybe not thinking about it. They're in, they're out, they're in, they're out. The best way is we got to have a skillful conversation. We got to get off the subject of offer and we got to get on the subject of what's going on in their life, what's going on in their business, all of that. So the best way for you to do is step in and say, "Hey, wanted to reach out to you personally," right? "Make sure my people got you all the information you needed on the offer," right? And then you're able to advance that.
Thank you, Matt.
Yeah, my pleasure. Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're going to love this. I'm going to teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. We're going to get you the closing mini masterclass. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're going to get access to the class. It's going to show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.